Sarah from Pretty Providence, and today I want to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. It is super easy to make and really fun. It's a great activity to do with kids. All you need is just a few ingredients. You will need some ice cream salt, half and half, sugar, vanilla, and then some large Ziploc bags and some smaller quart size or sandwich size Ziploc bags. You will also need ice. Other than that, you can add in different things to make it a different flavor. If you want to, you can mix in crushed Oreo cookies, that's one of my favorites, chocolate syrup to make chocolate ice cream, or raspberry jam to make raspberry ice cream. So it's up to you. You can either stick with the simple, delicious vanilla, or you can get creative and make any flavor you want. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how easy this really is.
Put a Ziploc into a glass. Pour half and half. Add sugar. Add vanilla. Then add any extra mix-ins that you want. Take the bag out and seal it tightly.
Putting it inside another bag so that we don't have any leaking. Now we've sealed our bag. We're gonna put it inside this bag, which has salt and ice. And then you shake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's time to take it out of the bag. At this point, you can just pull out a spoon and eat it right out of the bag. Or you can put it into bowls. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials coming soon.